Hey everybody, Chef Nino with Rouses, and today we got a special treat for you. We're gonna do a shrimp and MIRLITON dressing. It's the holiday season at Rouses. We're so excited about the celebrations and all the home cooking that's gonna be done. And we wanna make your life easier, give you some easy doable recipes. And you can go to Rouses.com to check these out. Today we're gonna do shrimp and MIRLITON dressing. MIRLITONs are in season, and Rouses has really gone really above and beyond. These are 10 cents a piece, okay? That means 10 for $1, limit 20 per customer. That sale's gonna be going on from November 10th to the 24th, okay? And these are good for casseroles, dressings, baking, etc., etc., etc. And so today we're gonna do a shrimp and MIRLITON dressing using some crab meat, and we're gonna show you what to do with these jewels of a vegetable here. All right, there we are. We gotta bake these things because they are hard, okay? We're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna go ahead and take out that seed, all right? There we are. Look what I have here. I have some bell peppers already cut up. All right, we have some onions, we have some celery, and some garlic. It calls for 1 stick of butter. It's a very rich recipe. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and put in our onions, our bell pepper, and our celery. Some people call this the Holy Trinity. If you'd like to save time, we also sell our Rouses cuts, fresh cuts, already cut up for you. So whatever you have time to do. Remember, you can use these MIRLITONs for many, many things. Stuffing, casseroles, as an accompaniment, dressings. So the recipe calls for cutting these after they are fork, tender, and cooked to about 1-inch squares. You want to let this cook for about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to be translucent. Then we're going to put in a little bit of sage. I got a teaspoon of sage, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of rosemary, and a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, okay? That's going to give it that holiday-ish taste and flavor that's so typical of homes on the Gulf Coast. For these recipes and more, go to Rouses.com. And if you want to check out the weekly ad, go to Rouses.com. Weekly ads, check it out. And also, upcoming events, check this out. If you buy a Hormel spiralized ham, you get a free turkey. Check out the details. I think that's a good deal. Buy a ham and get a turkey. That's kind of a no-brainer right there. And also, as always, at Rouses, we can do the whole Thanksgiving meal for you, or we can do parts of it by giving you these amazing sides. I actually have a list of some of these exquisite sides. Some are even new this year. Rouses always, they're on the cutting edge of new and latest and greatest. Spinach Madeleine, cornbread dressing, oyster Beanville dressing, shrimp and MIRLITON dressing, cranberry orange relish, all kind of things. Check it out. We can do the whole meal for you, or just the sides, or maybe you want to do all the sides and just come pick up your turkey. All right? Go to Rouses.com or go by your local deli in any of the Rouses, and there's forms right there in the deli, and they'll be more than glad to assist you to help you out. Now we're going to put in our rosemary, teaspoon of rosemary, teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of sage, and a teaspoon, or as much as you can stand, of Creole seasoning. Oh my goodness gracious. It's smelling like grandmother's house for the holidays. This dressing is exquisite. I got a pound of Rouses wild-caught Louisiana shrimp, and I kind of chopped them up in smaller pieces. That's necessary because when you're eating a casserole, you don't want to have a whole shrimp taken over, you know. So let's go ahead and add our shrimp right to those vegetables that's been cooking for a little while. Home for the holidays. Like I said, these MIRLITONs are going to be on sale from November 10th to November 24th. They're 10 cents a piece, limit 20 per customer. Amazing. Where are you going to buy a MIRLITON for 10 cents a piece? I don't know. That's a great deal. And you really need to check out Rouses weekly ads. You can go get a sale paper at the Rouses or go to Rouses.com. There's weekly ads. You're going to check this out. Man, oh man, oh man. Turkey sale with purchase of ham, free turkey with purchase of ham, limit 2 per customer. Check it out. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Now you want to cook these shrimp all the way. Okay, they're almost all the way done. Now it's time to start assembling our casserole. Are y'all ready? Look what I did. I got some of our Rouses French bread. Isn't that some good bread, y'all? I'm telling you the truth. Just how it is. Heat it up with some butter, or you can make some dressing. You can do all kind of things with it. You want to get some day-old bread, okay? It calls for 4 cups of bread, and I went ahead and really just chopped it up, rough cut, right? Now we're going to put in our 4 MIRLITONs. We baked them for an hour until they were fork tender. That's where we are with the MIRLITON right there. Just review, if you're just watching, with a whole stick of butter, we started really in a hot skillet. I wanted the butter to be brown. We put our celery, our bell pepper, our onions, sauteed that down. Then we put in our seasonings, our rosemary, our thyme, our sage, our Creole seasoning. Then we put in our cut shrimp, Rouses wild caught Louisiana shrimp. And that's where we are right now. You can kind of see that right there, okay? Those shrimp are cooked. I mean, really, it cooks in just minutes. It really does. I got about a half a cup of crab meat in there. That's going to be a nice Gulf Coast holiday shrimp, MIRLITON and crab dressing. Y'all, the smell. Oh, my goodness gracious. And we're going to go ahead and mix all that together. All right. Now it's time to add a couple of cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. Remember, there's 4 cups in here, so about half of this here is going to be 2 cups. You can measure out yourself, or you can kind of see what you can kind of feel the difference. So I want that bread to soak up all of that goodness, all that flavor. You want to put it in maybe 9 by 12 casserole dish. All right, are y'all ready? Can I get a drum roll here? There we are. Okay, that's it right there. That's our shrimp and MIRLITON dressing, folks. All right, that's it. Now we're going to put this in a preheated 350 oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until there's a golden brown or to your degree of liking. Folks, hot out of the oven, Rouses' very own shrimp and crab meat MIRLITON dressing. This is it right here. This is going to be a nice hit at your next family get together. Shrimp MIRLITON dressing. Look at that right there. You're going to love it. For these recipes and more, you can go to rouses.com. Join with me. Let's go shopping and let's get some of these beautiful ingredients. Get some of these MIRLITONs. Get your holiday order in while there's time. Let us do the whole Thanksgiving dinner for you, or just get the sides. Make sure you get your limit of 20 of these MIRLITONs at 10 cents a piece. Get that beautiful spiral cut ham and get that free turkey with it, limit 2 per customer. Check out the sale papers. Go to rouses.com, weekly ads, and you can check out these recipes and more, these specials. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Chef Nino with Rouses. Appreciate y'all.